Almost every index, albeit in fact commodity, traded bearish yesterday. In fact, we have seen good plunges across indices and commodities. Now, what to expect? As we can see, Tech 100 has seen a good plunge till towards 14,800 as we expected, and US30 has also now moved till towards 32,700. In fact, FTSE 100, if you look at it, is seen close to 7,300 levels. It has dropped below 7,300, while Germany going to the next support levels at 14,600. What does this mean? Can it drop the indices? Can the indices drop further below the support levels? As we can see, most are now trading near to the strong support zones. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, DAX and FTSE 100? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And it is going to be in the same sequence of indices, first US, then Germany and then UK. And yes, do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Next update will be released before the US data and the US session. Do watch that. That is an important update. And hence press the bell icon. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. See, NASDAQ 100 on the hourly charts has resumed its downward journey yesterday, and it has continued till towards 14,820 today early in the day. Now, if you look at it, has formed a wine glass formation. It is trying to retrace here. Now, see, still if you look at, one point to note here is, see that after this consolidation, this was the sharp plunge. It has come out of this bearish channel, and hence now we also know that first resistance at around 4900 920 zone exists. Hence you can buy here at 900, but then we have to be careful of this zone now till. So first is 1920, 4920, then 960 and then 980 levels. So for till 15,000 levels, we have to remain extremely cautious. Remember, possibility of a retracement exists. Yes, it can retrace a little. There is no doubt on that. And also it can try to fall back within this channel in which it is trading. The top of this channel is now limiting at around 15,000 levels. So yes, there is a possibility of a rise or a retracement, you can say. However, we need not, or we should not treat this as a bullish. We should not treat this as a reversal till the time 15,800 levels are 15,100 levels are respected here. Now let's have a detailed look. See, stochastic is back to overbought zone. MACD trying to cross over and enter into a buy zone and try to retrace a little. RSI has come out of the oversold levels. Coming to on the 2-hour chart, see, prices are again divergent from the moving average. You can see all the moving averages are trading with divergence. We have already seen, see, whenever NASDAQ 100 prices diverge from the 2050 average, it tries to converge, and which suggests that it can possibly converge again. And see, also if you look at the 2-hour chart, see, lower highs, lower lows on the earlier candles. This candle is trying to break out. Possibly once it stays above 4900, there will be chances of a little retracement till towards 49, 40, 60 zone, and in fact we can expect 15,000 levels also. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is still bearish, and see, it is trading with a fat belly, which suggests it could possibly converge crossover for buy. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, see, lower highs, lower lows in the preceding candles with a very small body. This candle is trying to reverse. I will wait for the next candle. Once it stays above 4900, same observation, we could expect a little more retracement. Now remember, this is still retracement, not a reversal, and it is still trading in this bearish channel. Now the top of this channel is somewhere here at around 15,100 levels, and that is why I say till the time it respects 15,100, we should not treat this for a reversal. It is just a retracement. A stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is trading with a fat belly. It can possibly converge a little. RSI is almost at bottom, and it has come out of the oversold levels. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, this could be a potential reversal sign. I will wait for the next candle. Next candle, if it almost yields a similar size of candle, you can say that yes, the bulls are back, and then it can try to fall back within this zone. Possibility exists. These are market, anything and everything is possible. However, if you look at largely, it is trading in this bearish channel, and it is almost reversing from the bottom of the channel. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 14,800, certainly we have to stay short. Remember, I'll show you something on the daily charts, but first let's complete this. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is already at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now see, earlier we have discussed this 14800 very good support, then 700 and 600. 600 is the ultimate support for tech 100 here, and this is the complete zone where we are going to find maximum resistance for tech 100 here or support here. So this zone is becomes very important. Also note what has happened since last two candles. We can see how tech 100 has behaved in the recent past. Drop, retracement, drop 4 to 5 candles, then minor retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see, again two bigger bullish bearish candles are seen, and it is trying to recover, it is trying to retrace or reverse. And now the zone here is going to be the ultimate resistance zone. Now yes, it can possibly recover here, it can possibly retrace a bit, and the highs of this is at around 15,000, 15,050 levels. Possibility exists of it to going till towards this zone exists. Hence you can buy here at 14,900. Expect it to retrace a little, but remember there are greater resistance at around 4960 80 zone, and then 15,000, 15,050 and 15,100. These are the greater resistances which uh, may push downwards again, which may push tech 100 downwards again. Any drop below 14,800 you can stay short, or rather I will say any drop below 14,820 you can stay short again. We can look forward to 14,700 and 14,710 and 14,600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start in first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. You can see very clearly resistance here, drop, retracement, drop, and possible retracement, which suggests the highs of this could be at around 35,000 levels. 35,000 is just 200 points for US30, and it can achieve these points any point of time. Now see, lower highs, lower lows, and this time it is trying to give a breakout. Possibility for it to retrace till towards 34,860 and 34,900 exists. 34,900, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance for US30. Stochastic is back to overbought levels. MACD, see, forming the wave, second wave it is trying to cross over. Let's see if it continues on the upside. RSI also looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, second consecutive green candle, I will definitely observe if it yields a third candle, which might take it till towards 34,860, 35,000, 34, see, 34,860, 34,900 first resistance, and then 35,000 is the ultimate resistance for the day. Stochastic oversold trying to come out of the oversold levels. MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI is at bottom trying to recover. Coming to 3-hour charts, first green candle here, and possibly next also swing candle. Then it may try to yield a greener candle, which might pull the prices little up. Remember, even if it is bearish, we know that it is trading in this bearish channel, the highs of this channel now at around 35,000 levels, and it can achieve those levels before looking downwards. Possibility is there. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish. It can possibly converge here and cross over for a buy. Let's watch out. RSI is also hitting the bottom, trying to recover. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour charts, I can see a reversal sign here. I can see first green candle. I can expect a second green candle here. Possibly we may see 34,900 levels at least. And beyond that, little more bullishness is going to continue. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent bearish, and it can possibly converge crossover. RSI at bottom. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence we can see a possible recovery. We can expect a possible rise, and stretching the Bollinger Bands on the further downside is going to be difficult, because see, it has to stretch. It is just like an elastic. If you are stretching an elastic, obviously there will be a pullback. So even if it tries to stay bearish, it is definitely going to get a pullback. It is in fact achieved 34,700, and remember, on the daily chart, 34,600 is the ultimate support for US30. We have seen several times. This is a zone where we can expect maximum support for US30. The breakout rally started here. It has come till towards this zone, now trying to recover, and hence that is why I say beyond 34,860 levels, more bullishness may be seen. Stochastic is to oversold levels, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI almost. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today 34,750 levels. Below that, 700 and 600 are two major support levels. Below 34,600, more bearishness might take it, in fact, till towards 34,400 levels. This zone completely between 400 and 600 is a great support. On the upside, you can buy here at 34,820 levels. Expect 34,850, 60 as the first target, and then 34,900 as the next target. If it stays above 34,900, more bullishness is going to be seen. We can expect it to hit 35,000 levels also. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at DAX or Germany 40. If you look at DAX here, it has breached the critical support levels 15,700 and it is marched till towards 15,600 levels. Now look at this on the hourly charts. If you look at, see on the hourly charts, you can find out this was the greater resistance 15,800. With that as resistance, DAX has stayed bearish. It is trying to trade in this channel. The highs or the reversal levels for DAX is to be considered only and only if it stays above 15,730 levels. Beyond these levels, you can expect 15,760 and then 15,800 levels. So 15,730 is a good entry for you to take a buy position. However, 15,760, 800 levels are a greater resistance. Stochastic trying to recover from the oversold levels. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, and possible crossover above 15,800 levels is where the bulls will take over. Till 15,800 it is not to be, rather I'll say 15,820 it is going to get stronger resistance, and every rise should be treated as a retracement, not a reversal. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI almost flat and at bottom. On the 3-hour chart, see drop here, retracement, drop here, possible retracement here, and see you can find out this is the zone in which it is trying to trade, and hence greater resistance is seen at around 15,800, 820 levels. So for now we can initiate a buy and trade around 15,730 levels, but then 15,760, 800, 820 levels, very strong resistance exists at around those levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is trying to look upwards, trying to stay or bullish or trying to recover a bit. Coming to 4-hour chart, see 3 consecutive red candles. If you look at the preceding candle, the body size is less than half of the complete candle, and there is a long tail on the downside. So definitely once it breaks past this highs, you can expect that it is trying to reverse. So I will wait for the next candle. If the next candle stays above 15,760, possibly we are looking at 800, 820, and beyond that we should expect a reversal, slight reversal or slight bullish move in DAX can be expected, which might in fact take it till towards 15,900 levels. Stochastic has dropped, looking downwards. MACD is bearish. RSI is almost trading at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now look at this daily charts. Lower lows are done, and if you see this lower highs, which suggests 15,800 levels. So 15,800 to 15,600, this is the zone where we are going to keep our focus. Only below 15,600 there will be bearishness. Only above 15,820 there will be bullishness. In between these levels, we can possibly expect a swing only, and hence in between 15,600, 820 we have to expect that we can only see swings here. It should not be treated as taken a direction either bullish or bearish. It is non-directional here in between these levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with a bearish bias, and RSI is almost trading flat. Considering, I will recommend you to sell DAX today at 15,650. Expect 15,600 as the first target. Very strong support levels there. In between 15,600 and 400, any drop below 15,600 is a bonus. You can expect further drop till towards 15,560 and 15,520 levels. On the upside, any rise above 15,730, you can initiate a buy. However, 15,760, 15,800, 820 zone is the next resistance, and then 15,900. These are 4 major resistances for DAX on the upside. Take your positions accordingly. Any upward move till it respects 16,100 levels should be treated as a retracement, not a reversal. A retracement means after a drop, it is trying to cool down the indicators, and again it may resume its down move. So you have to be careful at around these levels. Now let's have a look at UK 100. UK 100 on the hourly charts trading in this bearish channel. Wait for a breakout above 7335 levels, 7340 levels. If it stays above 7340, possibly a little more rise, may take it for 7360, 80, 7400. Till 7400, very strong resistance exists. Till 7400, the chances of a recovery is also there. It means it can possibly rise if it stays above 7340 levels. More bullishness is to be seen. But remember, the zone here 7340, 7360 is a great resistance zone for UK 100. FTSE 100 in this zone may find it difficult to break past by. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, it is crossed over. RSI is come out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar observation is seen on the 2-hour charts. You can see it is trading in this bearish channel. Let it come out of this, let it stay above 7330. You can buy here at 7330 expect 7350-60, very good resistance zone. And till 7400 you have to put a 10 to 20 points trailing stop loss. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is bearish and at bottom almost trading flat here. Possibility of a recovery exists. RSI is oversold here also. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, first green candle, I'll wait for the next green candle and I'll wait for that candle to stay above 7330, 7340 levels. Yes, that should be treated as a reversal there. So you have to enter at around 7330 with the next candle. Stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish, it can possibly converge. RSI is also extremely oversold here. Coming to 4 hour charts, after 3 consistent red candles, it is trying to give a reversal. Any move above 7330 you can buy. Expect 735060 as the first target, 7380, 7400 as the next target. Stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is also trading oversold. Coming to the daily, now look at daily chart. See, the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, lower lows are done. In fact, 7300 levels are breached. It is now trying to recover. We can possibly expect lower highs, which suggests it can try to attempt and achieve till towards 7380, 7400 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also trading oversold. Considering this possibility of a recovery exists here, you can see the candle size diminishing. Yesterday's bearish move was also not much bearish compared to what we have seen the day before. This candle opened outside Bollinger Bands and hence a little pullback can be expected. A sell entry below 7300 and a buying entry at 7330 can be taken. Below 7300, 7280 is the strongest support here. Below that only further bearishness is seen. And on the upside, I will wait for it to stay above 7330 and then 7350-60 is the very strong resistance zone. Only above 7360 is where the bulls will take over for 7380, 7400 levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, resistances are very nearby, very strong, and hence you should keep booking profit or keep trailing your stop losses and re-enter if you see it trading in the same direction. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon, join my mentorship by join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.